Chapter 4. Tectonic Plates. About 1.1 billion years ago, most of the land on Earth formed a giant continent called Rodinia. Today, the land is divided into smaller continents, with seas and oceans between them. How did this happen? Moving plates. Earth's crust is divided into enormous pieces, called tectonic plates. These plates fit together like a puzzle, and they float on the magma in Earth's mantle. Tectonic plates also move around, about 10 centimeters every year. That doesn't sound like much, but in a million years, a tectonic plate can move about 100 kilometers. That's how Rodinia changed to form the continents that we know today. When tectonic plates meet. Some tectonic plates meet and then push together. One plate can push the other plate down into Earth's mantle, where it melts and changes into magma. Sometimes, two tectonic plates meet and push each other up to create new mountains. This is how the Andes Mountains formed in South America. The Andes Mountains are quite new. They're only about 76 million years old.
Discover!
The highest mountain in the Andes is Mount Aconcagua in Argentina. It's 6,962 meters high. Folds and rifts. Did you know that Earth's crust can bend and fold? This happens when tectonic plates push together very slowly and for a very long time. We sometimes see these folds in the sides of hills and mountains. When tectonic plates push together too hard or too quickly, they break into large blocks of rock that can move up, down, or to the side. Sometimes, tectonic plates also move away from each other and make a long opening, called a rift. When Earth's crust moves or breaks very suddenly, it can cause earthquakes. If an earthquake happens underwater, it can make a giant wave, called a tsunami.
Discover!
One of the longest rifts is the Great Rift Valley in East Africa. It's about 6,400 kilometers long, and it's up to 100 kilometers wide in some places. Ocean rifts. Rift valleys can form at the bottom of Earth's oceans. When this happens, magma escapes from Earth's mantle and new crust forms on both sides of the rift. The new crust also pushes older crust to the sides. This is how tectonic plates grow bigger and move around. Mountains can also form along rifts under oceans. For example, the Mid-Atlantic Rift goes down the middle of the Atlantic Ocean, from the Arctic to Antarctica. It's about 10,000 kilometers long. There are many underwater mountains on both sides of the rift.